Do what pleases you while you can.
The bond that will come into being between you and this child will be extraordinary. If you dismiss it, leave without claiming this child's surprise, you will surely unleash true calamity upon us all.
They say witches can't feel human emotion.
I remember hearing stories about witches.
We don't want your kind here, Witcher.
They say whatever justifies despising our kind. And the mutations that grant you your abilities also erase your emotions.
I'm just trying to keep Serena safe.
Ciri is safe with me.
I will take her, protect her, and bring her back unharmed. I promise you that.
I have to find my destiny.
The world depends on it. Why? Because your grandmother said you should? She needs family.
Do you regret it?
How do you like my eyes?
Becoming a witcher?
You know nothing about that.
Ma!
It's hard to regret something.
Your own mother cared so little she discarded you.
Clearly the girl has access to immense primal power.
You bring terror and you bring death wherever you are!
I have no idea how to control it.
Doing the best that I can. Verily, I say unto you, the era of the sword and the axe is nigh. The era of the wolf's blizzard. The time of the white chill and the white light is nigh. The time of madness and the time of contempt.
You don't know what she is.
What are you?
This is where they came.
Child?